Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you want to upload video from CapCut to Facebook, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, launch your CapCut. Now in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my existing project. You can go ahead and do the same. Once you're satisfied with this, tap on Export. Wait for this to get loaded and be 100%. As you do that, you will see various options like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and many more platforms. So wait for this to load. Here, tap on Facebook. Now it will allow for access. Tap on Allow by tapping on App Settings. So tap on Permissions. Make sure photos and videos are always Allow All. And go back and try again. Now we can see that Create Post, and this is going to be my post. Once you're satisfied, tap on Next here, and it will be uploaded in your Facebook. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.